In our first enharmonics video, we talked about how a note can have two different names, or in this example, we can have a piano key, like this one right here, can be called C sharp or D flat. And that means that C sharp and D flat are enharmonic equivalent notes because they can be written two different ways. The same thing is true for D sharp and E flat, F sharp and G flat, G sharp, A sharp, and B flat. But what about these others? What about E and F and B and C? Is it possible for them to be enharmonic equivalent? Well, let's try the same approach as we did before. If we take E and we make E sharp, it has to go one key up. It has to go one half step higher. Since there is no note in between E and F, we have to go to the next key. So that would be F. So E sharp is played on the same key as F natural. So E sharp and F natural are enharmonic equivalent notes. If we take F and make the note F flat, the same thing occurs. We have to go one half step lower. Since there is no key in between E and F, F flat is the same key as E natural. So E natural and F flat are enharmonic equivalent notes. What about B and C? The same thing happens. If we take B and make B sharp, it's played on the same key as C natural. So B sharp and C natural are also enharmonic equivalent notes. If we take C and make it flat, that is played on the same key as B natural. So B natural and C flat are enharmonic equivalent notes. But those are not very common. The ones that you will find that are common, or the most common, will be here, C sharp and D flat, and then also G sharp and A flat. Those are the most common enharmonic equivalent notes that you will see in your music. F flat and E natural, E sharp and F natural, you do not see those very much. You would have to have a key signature with a lot of sharps or a lot of flats to get those. The same thing with B sharp and C flat. They do exist, and if you play your instrument long enough and get to a high enough level, you will see music that uses those notes.